Hello, good morning students. Welcome back. How are you all? Fine? Good. Yesterday we studied about young scientist 1. By pouring water in the glass, can we see when we are pouring water in the glass, that time can we see pieces of paper kept below the glass? No. When we are doing activity of pouring water in the glass, that time we cannot see pieces of paper. But once the pouring process is getting over and when glass is filled with water, we can see. When water becomes still, after that we can see the pieces of papers below the glass. Understood? Now today we are going to, and there was another experiment. I told you, you have to drop your finger in the water. First one, there will be paper powder in the saucer, and then you have to dip your finger in the water. You will see that paper powder will not spread. But when you will take a drop of soap liquid on your finger, and then when you will dip your finger inside the water, paper powder will spread out. Okay, it will spread out everywhere. This is what, these are two experiments. These are some magic tricks experiments which we studied yesterday. Today we are going to start with our new poem, Curiosity. Curiosity means what? Excitement to know something new. Okay, small kids have that curiosity. त्यांना खूप इच्छा असते नवीन गोष्टी शिकण्याच्या, correct or not? That is called curiosity. So there is one small girl, you can see on your page or in your book on left hand side, there is a girl and she is very smaller. Correct or not? She is small than you or not? Yes, she is smaller than you. She is a young girl, you can say, or she is very small girl who want to know so many things which takes place in environment or in her surrounding. खूप साऱ्या गोष्टी होतात आणि त्या गोष्टी का होतात, कशा होतात, त्या समजून घेण्यासाठी ही छोटीशी मुलगी खूप सारे प्रश्न विचारते या पोएममध्ये. ओके, अँड शी इज टेलिंग दॅट कॅन यू टेल मी आन्सर. नाव यू स्टुडंट्स, थर्ड स्टँडर्ड स्टुडंट्स कॅन टेल आन्सर ऑफ वॉट. if it is possible for you, then okay, and if it is not possible for you, then the small girl is saying that I will ask these questions to adults. Adults means what? Big people like father, mother, grandfather, grandmother. Okay, I will first recite poem for you. Tell me everything. What makes it winter and then spring? Which are the children butterflies? Why do people keep winking their eyes? Where do birds sleep? Do bees like to sting? Tell me please everything. Tell me, I want to know what makes leaves grow. In the shapes they grow. Why do goldfish keep chewing and rabbits rubble their noses? Just from habits, where does the wind when it goes away go? Tell me, or don't even grown ups know? First I will tell you first 5 lines. I will explain you first 5 lines. Tell me everything. What makes it winter and then spring? Which are the children butterflies? Now in this first stanza, poet, that small girl is asking that tell me everything. I want to know everything. That from where does winter season comes? There are 4 seasons, or you can say there are main 5 seasons, correct or not? Summer, winter, rainy, spring, autumn, correct? And then the small girl is saying that from where does winter season comes? And now can anyone tell what, from where does winter season comes? Winter season comes at your doorstep and says what, I am winter season, now for 4 months I am going to be in your environment. No. What makes it winter? That is what? That is geographical condition which takes place naturally. It is natural process, God gifted process. We cannot tell from where does winter come. Okay, so this girl is telling that can you tell what makes it winter and what makes it spring? After winter season, in the starting of summer season, that season is called spring season. Okay, between winter and summer there is spring season. Okay, it can be little cold, little bit hot. So here it is, girl is asking that tell me everything, what makes it winter and then spring. First winter season comes, then some spring season comes, then summer season comes. After summer season again there is another season. How these seasons are formed, or how we feel, why we feel cold, why we feel hot, why it rains in rainy season, that are some questions in the mind of this girl. Which are the children butterflies? Now she is telling that there are so many butterflies flying in the air. Then what are this? I want to know that which are the children butterflies. There are so many small butterflies flying in the sky. Can you tell me which are baby butterflies, which are adult butterflies? कोणते छोटे बाळ आहेत, कोणते मोठे आहेत, हे सांगता येईल का तुम्हाला? Which are children? We are, how I am small now. Then when we have little small height, when we can only walk or we cannot walk properly, at that time what happens? Everyone says that, see, this is a small child. He is a small, there are small children in our school. But then how you can tell me which are children butterflies? Which are babies of butterflies? Can you tell me? Who is saying? That small girl is saying in the poem. Understood? Curiosity to know something new. Okay, that is curiosity of a girl to know something new. Now next stanza, what she is saying that, why do people keep winking their eyes? Winking their eyes means to close your eyes, open your eye, to close your one eye, open your eye. This is called winking. डोळ्यांची डोळे झाकणे उघडणे. Okay, to open your eyes and close your eyes. Why do people keep winking their eyes? Now can anyone tell what? Why do we wink? Why we cannot keep our eyes still as it is? Why we wrinkle it? आपल्या डोळ्याच्या पापण्या का खालीवर होतात? She is asking that question. Now for every reason there is some scientific reason. When you will go in higher classes in 11th and 12th standard, you will get answers of all these questions. Now you will say, why winking is done of eyes? Then there is some reason behind that. There is a fluid, you can say, there is water in your eyes, and then there should be some what we call, some activity should take place of your eyes, so we wrinkle our eyes. So we talk. Why do our mouth talk? So these are all questions in the mind of the girl. Next one, she is saying that, where do birds sleep? Do bees like to sting? Where do birds sleep? She is saying that every day I see so many birds flying in the sky. Where do they go at night? Now you know it very well that birds have their own house. They have their nest. Wherever they have built their nest, whole day they will go in search of food. They will find out food, and at the end of the day, in at the end of the day or in evening, what they will do? They will go and sleep in their nest. And this small girl is not knowing about it. Where do they go? They go and sleep in their house. They have their own nest. Okay. Do bees like to sting? Sting means what? Prick. Do they like to sting? No, bees do not like to sting. But if we will harm them, or if we will touch their honeycomb, correct, at that time only they will prick you. Prick you म्हणजे काय? ते तुम्हाला there is a needle type body part which they put in your skin. Okay, that is called sting. Then they like to sting or what? No. If we will harm them, if we will trouble them, then only they will sting us. They don't like to sting. And then at last again girl is saying in this second stanza, tell me please everything. See, so many questions are there in her mind. Even your smaller, younger brothers and sisters will be there in the house. They might be asking you, Mama, what is this? Bhaiya, what is this? Dada, what is this? Didi, what is that? There will be so many questions in your mind, correct? In same way, this girl is also having so many questions in her mind. We have studied 2 stanzas. More 2 stanzas we will study in tomorrow's period. Today's your homework is you have to write down these first 2 stanzas in your English notebook. Okay? Have you understood your homework? Please complete your homework and recite this poem. It is so interesting. Okay? And if you have any question in your mind, you can ask your parents. They will find out scientific reason on Google and they will tell you. Okay. Thank you.